In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cell contents in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to remove what's inside a cell without disrupting the layout of your sheet. Let's begin inside a Google Sheets file you want to edit. Think of this as your working spreadsheet where you might have numbers, text, or formulas. Clearing a cell's contents is different from deleting the cell itself. When you clear contents, you're removing what's typed or calculated in the cell, but the cell stays in place, along with its formatting like colors, borders, or number styles. That keeps your sheet's structure intact. First, click to highlight the cell you want to clear. A single click will select one cell and you'll see a bold outline around it. If you want to clear more than one cell, you can drag your mouse to highlight a continuous group. You'll notice the selection becomes a larger rectangle. This selection is important because only what's highlighted will be affected. Now, press backspace on your keyboard. Instantly, the content in the selected cell or cells disappears. If you had a number, it goes blank. If you had text, it clears out. If there was a formula, the formula itself is removed and the cell becomes empty, but the cell's formatting remains. That means any fill color, font style, or border stays as it is, so your layout doesn't shift or break. If you want to be precise about which cells you clear, use Shift while selecting. Click the first cell, hold Shift, then click the last cell in the range you want. Google Sheets will highlight everything between those 2 points. You can also hold Shift and use the arrow keys to expand the selection one cell at a time. This helps when you need to clear a neat block of cells without accidentally touching nearby data. Once you've selected exactly what you need, press backspace to clear the contents of that selection. A quick tip as you work. Pause for a moment to confirm your selection before pressing backspace, especially in sheets with important formulas. Clearing is immediate, and while you can undo if you make a mistake, it's always easier to get it right the first time. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, highlight the cell or range you want, and press backspace to clear the contents while keeping your formatting and layout intact.